I have some pomegranates growing now. Look at you. Come on, pomegranate. See, one more right there. Okay. Okay, pomegranate. Come on. Got some nice leaves on you. Come on, pomegranate tree. Look at all the blooms on my Meyer lemon. Okay. Come on now. Don't just show me little flowers. Come on, let me see those lemons growing. Come on. Now look at here. That's my apple. Apple right there. Has some leaves growing on it. Come on, apple tree. Grow for us. We have a new tree in our garden now. We have a Lila avocado tree. Look at you. Look at you. Come on now. And I see look like some little blooms trying to come on you already. Thanks to Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener. I saw her video where she went to Rose's Garden Center and was showing that they had avocado trees, and I went and picked me up one. Okay, Lila avocado. Come on. Grow us a lot of avocados. And over here in this pot, I just noticed where I had sowed my avocado seed. Look at it. It's growing. I see an avocado from seed trying to grow. I didn't know if it was going to ever produce anything. And so that's why I went on and bought me avocado tree. So we may have 2 avocados trees growing in Big Mama's garden. Looking nice. Yes, you are. Looking good. Getting ready to sow my nectarine seed that I got from a nectarine from the store. Let's see. Put you down in the soil. And let's see if we're gonna get a nectarine tree growing here. Look at my beautiful lavenders coming up. Okay, lavenders. Come on, nectarine, grow for us. And look at my mango. Okay, mango. It's sprouting some more leaves on it too. Okay, come on, grow for us. I went ahead and put my pineapple plants outside. Have one here growing. Come on, pineapple. And here's my other pineapple that's outside. It's a little bit bigger than the other one. Come on, pineapples, grow big for us. I have another little one sprouting out here too. Come on, pineapples. Grow big and beautiful for us. I think the pineapples are enjoying the outside right now. Look at you, I see you. Come on, pineapple. Grow nice and big for us.